Alright, today we are changing the oil on a 2015 Subaru Legacy. Very nice one. The premium edition, which means you got the leather and the touchscreen and all the extra little perks with it. Nice wheels. I think we got 18s or 17s on here, pretty close. So first thing, it takes what, a 17 millimeter?
17
millimeter to take your oil cap off, which is right under there. You'll see that there is a hole there, and if you reach in there you will fill the cap. And then so you'll need to get your oil pan, probably raise the car up just a little bit. So once you got that, that's your 17 millimeter bolt that you got to take off. Take your cap off, that way it all drains. Last thing you want to do is take your filter off, which is pretty clean under there. Not no messes. And then some of your old oil you want to put around the rubber seal of your new filter. Once you get your filter back on, put your cap on underneath, which is a 17 millimeter, so that's like the hardest part of this job. Put that back on, put the filter on, fill it with what, 020 synthetic oil, and you're set. Simple as that. There you go.